Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Well, it's getting pretty chilly where I am, so we're going to be drawing a snow leopard. All that you're going to need is some plain white paper, you'll need a pencil, an eraser, and your choice of black pen. And don't forget, if you like to draw animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find in the link just here. So let's get started. We're going to start off nice and lightly in pencil by drawing a little circle just up here towards the right hand side of the paper. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just draw around a coin or something small and round that you can find, okay? Next we're going to draw a slightly larger circle just down to the left hand side, just here. Okay, so it's just a little bit bigger than before. You can use a compass if you like. But like I said, these don't have to be perfect. These are just preparatory guidelines that we're going to use just to help us get the basic shapes. Don't forget, if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. You can pause at any time. So from here, we're going to join up this little circle to the bigger circle, just like so. And then the same on the bottom side, just like so. Now we're going to draw a line coming down from this right hand side. Going to be a diagonal line, and then it's going to come down like that. I'm going to draw a line coming from here, and that one's going to go downwards like so. Now this snow leopard is actually on a mountain, so it's just slightly slopey just here. Just going to draw the slope, and then we're going to draw a line coming up like so. Then last but not least, we're going to draw a little triangle for the nose, just like that. And then the mouth, and then 2 dots for the eyes. Looks quite cute, doesn't it? And then a little ear here, and a little ear there. Okay, now I'm going to carry on in pen, but please do carry on in pencil. I'm just doing it in pencil so that you can see it easier. But just until you feel confident, just do it in pencil. Okay, so I'm going to do the nose. So just a little shape like this and goes up like so. A little bit in the middle. And then for the mouth, so comes down around and then down around like so. Okay, now we're just going to draw the nose going upwards. So it's a line like this. And then for the beautiful feline eyes, just so one here, just like these. There we go. And then the other one over here. Just like that. Excellent. Did you know that snow leopards can live up to 20 years of age? Quite long for a large cat. Okay, and then we're just going to draw the pupils, so just one there and one there. Okay, now we're just going to draw the shape of the head, so just using like little dots and dashes. I'm just going to draw like what looks like fur. Okay, so just come all the way around, and then just going to draw around the mouth more little dots just like that. Can you see that? And then a hairy chin, so chinny chin chin. There we go, see that? Okay, so more dashes, and this time the head's going to come out a little bit further here, and then we're going to go back inwards, just like so. Just loads of little dots and dashes, just like that. Okay, now for the ear. That's going to come up and round, and then obviously the inside bit, just like that. And then the same for the other ear. There we go. Snow leopards can also jump up to 9 meters. That's insane so far. Okay, now we're going to carry on with doing the back. So it's going to go up and then down and then up again, all the way down, and then curve it just round to there. Okay. Next, we're going to put in the really massive bushy tail. So this starts down here. Now, snow leopards use these massive big bushy tails for 2 things. One is for balance, And the second one is to keep themselves warm. Look how lovely and furry they are. So here I'm just using a series of little lines. Can you see little dashes? Just to show the fur. Lots and lots of these dashes. There we go. Excellent. Now we're going to draw the leg. So this one is going to come round like this, all the way around like this. Just till we get to about there. Okay. Now we're going to draw the front part. So from here, I'm just going to draw more of these dashes till we get to about here. Just going to come down. I'm going to draw the back of this leg. So just coming round, just on the inside of this line that we did before, till we hit the ground, and then the paws. Okay, I'm just going to put in the snow now that it's standing on. So just draw a straight line, just going all the way up, just like this, and it goes upwards like so. Okay, we're going to put in the other paw just behind here. There we go. Excellent. And then the other leg just peeping out from behind here. Okay, and then here there's lots and lots of long fur. There we go. Okay, we're going to add the fur. Just keep on going over with lots and lots of these furry lines. Just going behind the head now. There we go. And then a little bit behind there. Okay, so if you haven't gone over it in pen already, go over it in pen now, and then I'm going to raise all the pencil lines. Okay, so I've raised all the pencil lines. I'm just going to carry on this line of the snow, just there. Okay, now we're going to add some details. So some little dots onto the nose and some whiskers. There we go. I'm going to make the lines on the outside of the eyes a little bit darker. There we go. And the same on the other side. There, very distinctive markings here. Okay. There we are. Now, I'm actually going to use an old pen that's kind of running out a little bit to draw the markings, because this makes it quite good. Then you can get, like, can you see, kind of, it helps to draw fur if it's slightly running out. Okay, don't worry if you don't have one, just use any pen that you like and just copy what I'm doing. I'm just drawing lots of lines all in the same direction here, just to draw the stripes on the tail. Okay. We're going to come back to the face, and I'm just going to put in some of the markings now. So it helps to have a photo in front of you, but if you don't, then just copy what I'm doing. So lots of spots. There we go. So just lots of these spots here. Make the inside of the ears a bit darker, and the outside a little bit darker as well. There we go. Same on this ear. Okay, and then more markings towards the outside of the face. Can you see them? Okay. There we go. Okay, we're going to have just a few markings just here. There we go. Now for the back, and I'm just going to make this line thicker. And we're going to put in some of the markings, so one side and then the other side, just like that. And then all the markings are regular, so no two markings are the same, so just draw shapes a little bit like this. There we go, and a few more on the back, just like so. Okay. few more here. And one here. Sorry if you can hear the seagull in the background. I've got a seagull's nest on my roof. That's because I live by the sea, so it's quite nice hearing them sometimes, but you can't plan when you're going to hear them. Okay, so just carrying on with these markings. A few more underneath, just like so. Okay. Keep going, you've done so well to get this far. This is the last bit. I'm just on the last home run here. So let's finish off these markings and then we've finished our drawing. There we go. Okay, just a few more here. And then this is just long fur now. So I'm just using lots of wispy lines, particularly behind this leg, because this leg's in shadow. There we go. And then this leg as well. Draw a few more lines, just make it a little bit darker down here. Okay. Excellent. Make it just darker where the mouth is. There we go. I'm just going to actually use this thicker pen to do the eyes so that they really stand out. There we are. Excellent. So there we have our snow leopard. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please consider hitting subscribe and like and check out the others in the series. Thank you very much. Bye bye.